Welcome back to a 2-minute quickie with quads. So you've got yourself a nice expensive DJI drone and you've got a little bit of anxiety about what you're going to do with it. DJI have recently updated the app, which includes the controller and the one that you use your phone on, and the more expensive recently produced RC Pro 2 with a simulator. First thing you're going to want to do to help overcome a little bit of this anxiety is to load up your controller by turning it on. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to hit the DJI simulator. Now we'll switch over to the desk for this so you can get a much better view, but this will help you practice the moves that you've got in your head and you're not sure, do I do this with the stick or do I do that with the stick? I thought of a new move this morning where we sort of orbit a building and spin the camera all at the same time. So I thought, do you know what? The simulator's here, it's raining outside, let's give it a go. Let's make it into a 2-minute quickie with quads. Once you've moved over to your controller, you're going to want to hit DJI Simulator. It'll take probably about 30-40 seconds to load up, and then you'll get this screen and you want to hit Immersive Flight. Press Go Fly, and this will allow you essentially to fly this exactly as you would fly the DJI craft. Now, obviously this particular one is within the O4 Pro, so we've got all the O4 Pro controls. Now, I'll take the drone up and get it into position, but this was the move that I had in my head. So basically we're moving both of the sticks out to the right, holding the C1 down and manually rotating that infinity gimbal at the same time to give us a shot that I think will look incredible. And I'm glad I've done it in the simulator first before doing it in real life, because now I know exactly what to expect, how the drone's going to feel, and where I can push it, where I can't push it. And ultimately, you know, we're not just going to be shocked when we try and do it for the first time in real life. That will help with reducing your anxiety. Now, I am really poor at self-promotion, so if I can just get a minute at the end of this video, even 30 seconds, there's 5 days left of this sort of giveaway. It'll cost you £1 or $1 to enter. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Like I say, I'm sorry, I'm so poor at self-promotion. However, this drone's amazing. Somebody's going to win it. Make it you.